Okay, so welcome to episode 2 of the Staysail lore and saga. Basically, what I found in January-December is going to be shown here in this video. The QuizGrid site, I didn't really show the public version of that in the clips, so I'm going to show just some screenshots of what it looked like. It wasn't really that important, just some stupid monetization tactic. Maybe I missed some important shit when I didn't really cover it, but I had more important shit to do in my life, so anyway, But yeah, that's just the simple lore, the simple rundown. Just, he made a new account, he had a Twitter, it was deleted, or he deleted it, actually. He had it like a fucking Max Aura school, I don't know what the fuck that even is. I don't want to pay $10 just to see what that is, because I don't really give a shit. But he had that. Get some popcorn, relax, there might be some gameplay in here too, we don't really know what's going on yet in the studio. Alright, so in the QuizGrid Discord server, I was looking for something interesting to mention in here because, that's what I do here. I do investigative journalism, if you'd even call it that. And I stumbled upon something really interesting. So he mentioned something called soundscapes.ai right here. And someone asked if it actually is making music, like from the AI, if it's organic. And he says, yes, it is, basically. And he says you can use copyright free and we own it. That's where we're kind of going off here. Keep that in mind. But anyway, I decided to check it out, right? So go to soundscapes.ai. And also, these are not really relevant. These little incognito guys, again, these are my extension. Let's set the mood here. So let's just do like a sample song, like, hopeful ambience with like nature theme. I'm not sure what nature theme means. And let's make that. So it'll send it off to the server, wait for it to come back, and we get something back. It's 41 seconds, not 60 seconds. He also has a premium membership feature, obviously, because he mentioned payment before. He's not doing this for free or he'll go broke. So he has to have a premium feature in here, right? Interesting how there's no account system to verify that you actually bought it. So let's go to the network tab in Firefox or any web browser in like inspect element mode. And let's just see what it does. So I want to make some music right now. The interesting thing here is that there was no request sent out from the client to the server to actually signify to make something for us. It literally just knows where to pull a WAV file from without telling the server to make anything. So that basically says it was pre-made, which is kind of, weird for a site like this that literally says it makes AI generated music. So let's just go ahead and look at it, right? So we can see here that there's a theme, right? It makes a theme. And we could scroll down and you might already notice it has an array of static files, like WAV files, which is very interesting. How it has just like 5 songs pre-made, just stored there. And we see the submit function here for the button. Like we press submit and that function will run. It'll stop playing the current audio, right? And then he literally comments it saying, simulate a delay for 5 seconds. 5-second delay. And then it basically just takes a random file from this wave, like, array, and, like, returns it and puts it here. Which is kind of funny, right? It basically means that like he literally made a site to simulate AI generation without actually having any AI that generates any music. And the thing that's really important to note here is that payment is involved. This is a Stripe link. If you purchase this, you will purchase it. It actually charges your card, right? It's Stripe. And the fact that it doesn't use AI at all means that basically you're paying for an AI generative service that doesn't generate from AI. You're literally getting scammed on this site. On the official quizgrid.com like website, you'll see like a bunch of things, and he also has a Discord link. So if you just go to Discord link, it's Quizgrid with the little B icon. There's a little B icon over here, so it's the same Discord server. But if you see here, I was on something called a website, and this website thing links to something called Brand Create. So we can see there's a little video here which you can't click on, because if you inspect element that, you can just kind of go to the link here, and it's an image of the video with the play button on it, like a thumbnail. And he has like a bunch of little rambling stuff about how people love his shit. Like it's Shadow Clone says he's happy. Unadorned Console 26D6 is pretty happy 7 days ago. And he says his name is Samir Walker. It's not even the same account. It's like just entirely different. It's nowhere identical at all besides the name. So I don't know why he would do something like that. And over this time, since 12 years old, he bought everything he ever wanted, and he retired his parents, which I'm guessing by retired he mean killed for money. You know it's legit when it's 480p screenshot by like a 12-year-old multimillionaire. It's just some other stuff, and also he has a little logo here. A globe with like 2 arrows like this, and it's the same exact icon from Jolt Ecom. And if you look here also, it's the same. There's a guy called Samir with like an entirely different profile picture, not affiliated with Sale at all. So he just like nabbed this guy's name and this logo and just put it on like this site with like the not working images. And if you go to this about link, it's a little thing here, watch this before you start, and you can press continue, which doesn't work. It just redirects you to the same site. So I guess there is no starting. It's just like an edging permanently. It's very fucking loud. But you can see here he shows his garage, this little car here, and he shows literally like his little house area. He showcases his car for like, I kid you not, like 30 seconds or so. It's very like, it's like a money laundering front, I guess, to like, I guess, excuse the fact that some guy called Samir is on his Discord server acting like another person. So it's like Staysail has more people than there actually are on his little thing. So they kind of have like a coincidental telepathic link between each other where they send the exact same message twice. They say this same message twice, and they say this same message. I don't know, but that's kind of worthy to note there. So
Venzer and this Trinity guy, they took my $5,000 in crypto and they weren't sending it back, so I just blocked them, and now they're not adding it back.
As you can see here, the Roblox coach is back, back with a vengeance. But yeah, so QuizGrid's back up. I don't know why he has these domains. I don't know how much of Daddy's credit card is going into these domains, but he has those. We'll check them out. He has his members only videos right at the top, just to let you know that he means business. He has some videos going over AI. He has the Dev King. I don't know what his problem with this guy is. It's the same videos really as last time, just the same formatting, the same everything. His RobloxCoach with GigaChad instead of him. $47, the same exact price as before. He has a wrapper site for it. I don't know why he has this if you can just link to his QuizGrid course, but whatever. Who is he? This picture of him mogging, the picture of him parked really badly at the Apple store. I don't know what that hairstyle is, bro. I really don't know what's going on there. He has like a bar graph, $70 trillion, $57 trillion is the game dev market size. Starts in 2024. I don't know how he gets these stats. He has a book here. Unlock the book, like a full-on book. Shut up, bro. Shut up. Reviews by Mark Lee and Emily Chen. Yet when we go to the actual book reviews, it's Ed Erdman and Justin. Maybe they're like fake reviews. They could honestly just be fake reviews. Yeah, and it's also calling him really like egotistical in these like 4-star reviews, which is kind of funny. It doesn't really give me high hopes really for this book, honestly. So his boot camp is $47 at a discount. He's now charging $200 for his course. He raised the rent up. Click on that. He gives us a 5-minute Roblox scripting tutorial. Let's
Lua is
see
stupid.
5 minutes, and I lost 5 minutes of my life. Okay, I don't really care to read that. It's sold out? No, it didn't. He's just lying, bro. He's just fucking lying. What? People like this piss me off. Do I really need to explain this dumb shit? This is like 2% of the population. They don't know what the end does. Rewatch it or ask AI if you're confused on what I meant. But it's basically just checking if debounce equals true, then return, which ends the program, then ends is just a block. Ask AI. AI is literally gives you incorrect information sometimes, and you can't verify if it's right or not. This is what I mean. Like, he makes money off of like tutoring people and giving them education, and then they ask questions because they don't understand what he's saying, and then he's like, well, just Google it, bro. Just Google it. Just buy my course, bro. If you don't like it, then buy my ebook. Then buy my if you don't understand my ebook, then buy then $100 an hour tutor, bro. It pisses him off. Like, you're a tutor. Your alias is tutoring, bro. You are making money off of people. I feel more justified in releasing this video now. I actually need to save people's credit cards right now. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Want to shock dad with max Riz? Prove him wrong right now. Plus 99999 Riz.
Bro, there is. Hey, can I get your number? Crazy Riz.
Can I get your number?
No, but I look fresh.
Literally.
Nuh-uh.
Minus 50 Riz. Wow. I have 0 Riz though.
Good thing it didn't go fucking into the negatives. You know what goes into the negatives? The fucking dislikes on Squid Game, but NPCs.
Minus 2 dislikes.
Minus 2 dislikes. This is like a shameless promo. I'm a professional at shameless promos, dude.
Hey guys, play Roblox Squid Game if you want.
Yeah, if you want good games. Yo, I got a haircut right now, bro. I got a lucky block as well. The lucky block fucking gave me a jetpack. I'm gonna fly into a tower. There's
I love how when you rejoin the game, the lucky block goes back to 7 minutes, even though like
yeah.
So like there's no point. 2 people.
Bro, Staysail is like exposing himself with this game.
Probably, yeah.
I don't know why I stink. I only play 10 hours a day on the computer.
Yeah, look, I literally have like the cutscene and me are like 2 different things. So I'm just walking on myself. Awesome. I can't. He literally just like is spitting on the whole art style of like these solo like story games on Roblox, because there's like fucking Grimace Morph next to like the map.
Wait, what?
Yeah, go outside. There's Grimace Morph, and also Nugget Morph.
Learning how to Riz from a fucking Roblox game. If I say anything to a woman with these lines, it's like
instant.
A guaranteed restraining order. My dad would disown me if I told him I fucking went and rizzed up someone. Like, what? He would look at me like, what the fuck are you talking about? I'm not playing this shit. I have to talk to dad for every single thing again. I'm not doing that. I don't have the fucking like brain capacity to fucking listen to dad talking about Riz.
I can't. I don't think I can take much more of this. I don't think I can.
You can't take more Riz? Are you rizzed up?
Wait,
when you Riz, do they make you goon?
Do you know the Riz sound, like the wah wah, the sound?
The wah.
Yeah, that just played exactly when you said Riz.
No, I won't add you. No, I won't add your new account. No, I won't sub you. No, I won't follow you. No, I won't give you Robux. No, I won't play your game. No, I won't give you free clout. No, I won't help you with your game for free. No, I won't be giving you free marketing advice personalized to you. No, I won't make you rich.
Now imagine that with the Homelander theme. It's just playing.
Oh my god. Bro is him.
Bro is literally Roblox Homelander.
Sonic Simulator X.
Yeah.
We gotta play that.
Here, I'll send the link.
Oh, it's the basic RPG starter guide thing.
Is it actually? Oh my fucking.
It looks like it. It's.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
I love how he just blatantly just lies about what the game's actually about.
Warning. You will be scared.
You will be scared.
The flashlight is just a bunch of fucking toilet paper.
Bro.
Oh! Sonic! Sonic, not
Oh,
with the
shit,
XC!
Sonic.
Yo, I will be scared, I will be scared. I fell off the fucking map. Epic Corona fight. Remember when people used to fight for toilet paper?
Oh yeah. Fighting with the toilet paper now is so poetic.
Doors closing. Why the fuck did I just fly off the map? Did you see that?
Oh no.
I fell off the map again. Fuck this game.
Falling off the map simulator.
That's a fire game idea.
Jesus hater 2725
Oh.
just spitting. Bart isn't the Bart, is the Homer Simposi.
That's a fucking crazy sentence.
This is like the average Sail fan, literally. Like to a T.
This is fucking crazy.
Why Skibbity Toilet is more Robux than buying more land form retail tycoon 0 out of 10.
But worst and sadness is a waste of money because of the fine look making it worse and then sadness from inside out. Bart isn't the Bart, is the honest. I don't know what I'm putting that in the fucking. Where's the other group?
I love how you tagged Noah with that.
My brain died from reading that.
I think mine did too.
Like, dead ass.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I killed myself. Discipline, man. Wait, no, my head needs to be messy. I just made it fucking better. What the fuck? How to? Here, 1 hour. There's a 4 hour one.
The 250 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, but like that's too long.
Yeah.
No, fuck, I don't want to.
What is that, bro? Bro does not
go.
have adblock installed.
There's two types of variables, global and local. Global can be accessed anywhere throughout the game. Local can only be accessed through this script alone.
That's not.
I'm going to
that's
use
not
global
how
variables as an
scripts work.
Isn't local for the
is, like,
local
within-
player?
No, local is within like a function or like something, but like it's not throughout the entire game. That's not true.
I love spreading misinformation on the internet.
How it feels to spread misinformation.
Or keyword.
The or
string
keyword
G-sub.
has like 2 minutes of itself. Why just the or keyword?
That's a minute and 55 seconds of input values.
Oh god.
So let's say we have a local UIs, which is user input game get service, user input service. But there's also a thing called io.read, which is only used in Lua interpreters, which we're going to talk about here, but it's not used in Roblox, so we'll skip over it this time. Again.
Then why would you fucking mention it if it's not used in Roblox? Am I here to learn fucking Lua or am I here to learn C++ or whatever the fuck bullshit
I mean,
he's trying to fucking...
it's still part of Lua, but like it's not really relevant to Roblox at all. I was
Oh, okay.
when I saw os.read, I was like, please don't say this is actually used in Roblox.
Okay, so I can't really flame him for that, okay.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to show you how to find distance between points. So let's say we have a point, let's say like right here,
Wait, is
right?
this a,
then
where's
we wanted
the
to
input?
check-
What? Are we still on input? What the fuck's going on?
Yeah, that's still the input values.
Local D, which is math.square root, okay? And then we're going to set enemy. So we have an
The
enemy
fuck is
X,
happening? What is
okay,
this?
which is the spawn location. So let's say
Wait, does he go for
workspace.spawn
input?
location, right? And then we have another spawn location called
This is just like a different
Now
thing.
we're just detecting distance.
Wait, he didn't even go over user input? What? No, he literally just said, use the user input service and nothing else. Just that's it.
Yeah, I feel like if I watched this for hours, I wouldn't learn shit.
No, you would bang your head against the wall probably.
Damn, this is like I'm listening to fucking XQC stream.
2, display menu. Every second it will display the menu, but if we'll only display it once, we can
Every second it'll display a video, but without doing it once.
just do it once. Display menu. Every second it will display the menu, but if we'll only display it once, we can always just do it
Called it.
once
No
up
way,
here without
bro.
using a loop. There's ways you can integrate Luo with C, as well as other methods, like you can call user data, etc. But that's not Roblox Studio specifically.
He makes a chapter.
So this is
and
basically
the
a
chapter isn't
Lua
covered.
breakdown.
What?
It's like, hey, you can do it.
Hello, everyone. This is the Roblox Coach, and this
That's a lie. This is Code Coach.
is at the end of the day.
I don't care. I don't care about the end of the day.
If you're subscribed to the subscription model, you will get
He's
this for
just
absolutely
fucking like
no charge.
He's
I will
fucking
give you
glazing
this
his
for
own
free.
method, bro. Like, shut up.
Now,
Yeah. Glazing the bots he uses.
because this
Holy
course is for the
group
only people
amount,
that actually want to
Jesus.
focus and talk.
Detention, okay. I
Every
don't
time-
care about detention. I used to get a lot of that in school.
Free.
F students are investors.
Because I share everything I do. It's like I'm not really.
He's the first ever to do it. He's the first ever to steal a thumbnail and title. Oh my god, he's like Serbia, you know what I mean? Serbia gave everybody the world. Which game? The chicken or the egg? Serbia. That's it.
Serbia.
I love Serbians. So, it's a joke.
That's why I recommend not doing this.
Yeah.
You can also get DMCA'd, which is basically your game gets taken down, and this is really risky to upload someone else's game. But
Or somebody else's content, copyrighted content in general, Owen. I think you know very well about that.
so we go to Roblox, click on play.
Personagem there's a second hand mode.
Yo, that gave me like a career. I need to get back into content creation. I would be so good at like sponsorships. I swear to God.
You can see it's a completely different game. It is even. The higher playtime, the higher results in the search.
I'm sorry, but like, didn't he make a room tour and it's like his room being crazy? The acoustics are ass. Like you can hear
Yeah, no,
his
he doesn't
voice
know
bouncing
anything.
off back into the mic.
Going to basically break down everything for you because you are a
He's just
premium
edging
member
us, bro.
of this
He's like, I'm gonna
exact
break
lesson
this
here.
down for you. I'm gonna
Nobody
teach you
has access to this. There's
100%
a
how to
few
do this,
people.
bro.
I've-
What are you talking
How this
about?
game makes so much money and blow up. Okay, so
Okay, now is
as you can see, we have monetization everywhere. Like Fly costs Robux. There's a button that's satisfying when you click it.
just
we have
straight
the-
up
this is a
honesty.
cool button that
Yeah,
I added that tells-
everything's monetized.
I love there's a button that's satisfying when you click it. It's a fucking button you click on your mouse. That's the feeling you get. Like, my guy, I'm not at the casino like slamming the fucking the average gambler, you know, like like
It's just fucking
What's these different
slam
games
punches
that
the
are
fucking
inside
mouse into
of-
pieces at each time a button's pressed.
If I click on this button, it's going to teleport me to a random game that I set up. That is already my game. Also have
you might wanna add like a menu like when you click it, like, are you sure you wanna change into a different game? Because last time when I played it, yeah, it was like straight the hell.
And also, we got the troll panel. So, click on troll, go to a player, and then click on jump scare. $500.
500 Robux.
You want to give people as many options as possible to spend money in your game.
Dude, you can get dressed to
So that's what
impress
that
VIP
is.
for like
And that's
the same
exactly how
price.
this game blew up.
Here's a way to gain audience attraction. Just go to their house, get a gun, get a firearm, just click the gun
Exactly.
to their head. Say, if you don't spend 200 Robux from mommy's credit card, I'm gonna shoot you right now.
Imagine like going to like, what is it? RDC is like the Roblox Developer Conference, right?
I don't know. I think so.
Imagine going there like networking and like somebody asks you like, hey, what's your most popular game? I'm like,
I mean,
oh, Book
maybe-
an RP, but it's actually Doomspire Brick Battle with like a bunch of microtransactions. I think they would hate you just for being there.
rightfully.
Because you're not a developer.
No, imagine going
Crazy.
to the dev conference because of a game you really like put like 10 years of passion into, they put like their heart and soul into it, and then you just go like to the same conference with the person who makes fucking buy a god game pass to fire lasers out of your eyes.
Let's say you don't have any
You know
player
what's
count
funny?
right now.
I think
okay?
someone-
Let's say you don't have any.
So like I got into contact with someone on Twitter, I think, and he mentioned that like he doesn't have any like proof of this, but like from memory, I think he mentioned that Sail had like this Discord server where he would just like sell Roblox exploits to people. So like, I've
Oh my
been
God.
trying to find proof of that, but like I haven't found anything. Why is AI Overview saying a Twitter handle? He's not that famous, bro. MMORPG game Tower of Dread.
I think it's a normal thing at this point. I think if I do like Fire
So-
is a not well known musician in the mainstream music scene. I'm kind of tempted to hop on my Argentinian account and pay like 10 cents to join his thing.
Did he just AI himself into Giga Chad?
Probably. Oh my god. Terrible.
Do
It's
it.
literally 2 cents. I don't remember which one of my cards. What happens when you have so much money, you have it like split on like 25 different fucking credit cards and you don't know which one you use anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna have to add a different card.
Alright,
Let me-
I'm
let me
recording,
open,
so this will be in the video.
Fire. I'm adding a disposable card. Let me generate it. It's just like a single time card.
Wait, if like your bank offers that?
You want me to send you a link so I get $40? Can you please just blur out my fucking... I'm just putting a random restaurant as my address.
Some random restaurant's gonna get like mail saying about how they bought Staysail's fucking .025.
I got a notification.
Oh, is this like a
Oh,
fraud thing?
it just got declined, yeah.
It's
I'm
only
giving this
point-
fucking cunt .02. I'm giving it 2 cents.
Think of the content, bro.
True, it's investment. It's an investment for us.
It's an investment for Hamburger Gaming.
I love Hamburger Gaming, my favorite channel. Subscribe now. This is what we do for you.
This is
I
the
waste my
sacrifice.
hard-earned money. I work 23 hours a day just so I can purchase a code coach. Fucking. Is there a different way to fucking pay for this bull?
Oh, there is PayPal.
It doesn't let me.
For me, it does.
How do you use PayPal? Okay, well, I guess we're not doing that, sadly.
Yeah, fentanyl is my choice of drug, but I stick to meth because it's safer.
Onde vamos? Onde vamos? Onde vamos? Onde vamos?
He also got into a lot of controversy because on his concerts he used to he was making this, but like the way he was making it is like he was putting the ingredients, like throwing the ingredients onto people.
Imagine.
Oh, here it is.
Oh my god.
That's
Bro just dumps an egg on them.